Hey, groovy guys and gals, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating an 8-track player out of a 1972 Formula Firebird. This comes from Dan in Abilene, Texas, and Dan has requested the conversion so that this will work with a modern or reproduction radio that has an aux input. And since the tape deck uses up the radio's aux input, I add an aux input to the tape deck so that anytime there's no tape in the unit, whatever's plugged into the aux input will pass straight to the radio. So let's go ahead and fire it up, make sure it works before we send her back. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
Tweedledum, Tweedledee, down, down, right-a-doo. Let's go, she's looking for a love she's never found. Grass is green, there's my little girl. There is no
And there was on there.
for someone to love,
And there was on there.
tell me you understand. Well, you don't. Oh, what a night for Tweedledum.
Okay, so there we go. There's just not that much to test on a standalone 8-track player. Just make sure it plays, changes tracks, and sounds decent. So that takes care of that. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. Just click on the link. It'll take you right to my website. And from the home page of that website, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because most, if not all, of your questions will be answered on the work order as you're filling it out. And then that way, if you want to call me, you got a quick question that the work order is a little bit vague on, or if you just want to get to talk to me for a couple minutes, get to know me and trust me, that's perfectly fine. But what I'm getting away from is answering the same 15-minute series of questions from each new customer, which is just keeping me off the bench too much. And that's where the work gets done, guys. I got to be on the bench. I can't be on the phone all the time. So please do that research before calling me. After that, I'm happy to talk to you. Thanks so much for watching and listening. And thank you to Dan for your business all the way from Abilene, Texas. And we'll see you next time.